About an hour from Dallas, Texas, just southwest of Whitney, Texas, lies Lake Whitney State Park. Lake Whitney State Park is of course on the shore of Lake Whitney and has campsites, screen shelters, and cabins. Some of the points of interest of this park are the Big Oak Tree, the Bass Tournament Historical Marker, and although the map says there are ruins of the Towash settlement, the staff said there's nothing really to see. But there are two easy trails that you can hike or bike on, the Towash Forest Trail and the Two Bridges Trail. The Towash Forest Trail is 1.2 miles and is pretty straightforward. You walk down the straight path to the lake, and then once you get to the lake, you can walk around the shore. It's very calm and very relaxing. During the fall, this little path here was open, which was nice walking through the trees, and you got a different view of the lake. But when I went back in the winter, it was blocked off. I'm not sure if it's normally open or not. I did see a deer while I was on this trail the first time, so look for wildlife while you're out. The Two Bridges Trail is 0.9 miles long and has, as you'd guess, two bridges. This is the more scenic trail of the two, and if you know me, you know I really like bridges. This one also takes you up by the lake, and when I went in the fall, you could hear so many birds. I've also heard that there's a trail that goes up to this other park up here, but since it's not on the official map, I'm not including it. So if you're looking for some light and casual hikes while you fish or camp, consider visiting Lake Whitney State Park. If you'd like to see the full trail reviews for these two trails, click one of the thumbnails on the screen. Thanks for watching.